to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are well. Thank you for coming back for another video. So I'm starting out in the kitchen today. I've just got a few dishes to wash. I ordered some cups from Target, some really cute cups, and some more of the little gray plates. I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'll link them below if you're not sure. So I ordered some more of those. So I just want to go ahead and get those washed up and put away. And then I'll continue to clean the rest of the kitchen. If this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. Again, my name is Tamara. I'm married, mother of 2 boys. I'm a working mom as well. And I like to create all types of cleaning, DIY, organization, home type videos to motivate you as well as me. So I hope you'll stick around. Look at my channel to see if it motivates you to click that subscribe button. All my oldie but goodies, I love y'all. Thank you so much for coming back to get motivated and to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. So let's continue. I don't know why I always forget to take off the price stickers from the plastic plates and bowls and stuff like that before I put it in the dishwater. It makes it so much easier if you just go ahead and take those off before getting them wet. So that's why I'm having to work a little bit harder and backwards. But these are the plates that I mentioned. I have them in gray. I got them from Walmart. Well, I got some previously from Walmart we've had for a while. And of course, they don't last a long time. When I say last, meaning they get scratches and stains sometimes that you can't get out depending on what you eat. But I did find the quality from Target to be a little bit better than the ones from Walmart. And they're like 99 cents or 79 cents or something like that. And they were the same at Target, as well as the cups. You see they're clear and they have like these little speckles in them. So I got them in a 12 ounce and 16 ounce as well. And then I also ordered the 16 ounce of the gray cups, but they didn't come in this day. So if you're just looking for some cute, inexpensive plates, everyday plates for, you know, that you're not afraid of your kids, you know, to mess up or get dirty, I highly recommend these. They're really cute and they're plastic, you know, but they're durable. So right now I'm using soft scrub on my sink. This is what I use for my sink cleaning routine. You could also use barkeeper's friend, but in my preference, I like the soft scrub better. It's just pretty much the same, except it has scents to it and it doesn't have the grit that barkeeper's friend had, but they give you the same outcome, so it just depends. So if you've never used soft scrub, try it, see if you like it. You can also use it in other areas of your home. I use it in the bathroom, in the tub, for soap scum, all that kind of stuff. Or if you just don't have a sink cleaning routine, then, you know, try one of them out, Barkeeper's Friend or Soft Scrub. I mean, it really cleans your sink and they really, really make them shine. So for my countertops, I am using Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider scent. Now the fall scent smells so good. I haven't tried, I think the pumpkin spice or pumpkin something, I want to say. I haven't tried that one, and I think there's another one that I hadn't tried. But the mum is one of my favorites, as well as the apple cider scent, y'all. It just smells so good, and I mean the smell just lights up the room, but in a good way, and it just makes you feel all cozy and all of that, and just think fall thoughts, you know. If you want to get in the mood while cleaning, in the fall mood while cleaning, then these are great scents to try.
It's just a crack. A heart can be broken and still won't let go.
So because I didn't have any fall touches in the kitchen, I'm just going to bring a few in. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that my fall decor is also my Thanksgiving decor. I do not change anything out or add anything else, except for maybe, you know, tablecloth or something like that. So I'm just going to add a little bit of fall in the kitchen. I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to add this sign as well as a few pumpkins. I made a floral arrangement. I don't know if you guys remember in my previous video, I got a vase from Ross. And so I used that and made a fall arrangement that I'm going to add in here as well.
It's getting dark, and you are not there, but I still say goodnight. Still see your light. I cannot wait. Just let me stand in your rain. Rain, that torrent of I can still feel you from
So now we're in our bedroom, and there's not a whole lot that I need to do in here. I just need to make the bed and vacuum. I've been trying to do a better job at maintaining or managing all the laundry that we have in here. That's usually why our room end up being messy, is because of all the clothes that I pile in here that I have not folded, and they just get pulled out and put back into baskets. So, but I've been trying to do better. So all I have to do is make up the bed, and then I will move on to the next room.
Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Hello, babe, snuggle, baby. Hello, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait, let me drive you crazy.
So I've been trying to implement some laundry motivation for you guys, and in an effort for me to stay motivated and on top of our laundry as well. I noticed in my last video and this one as well that I start the clothes, but I don't come back and show you guys anything else. And that's because by the time I get done with the video, I sit down or rest or whatever, and I realize, oh, I got laundry to do. So actually, it's like I'm just forgetting about it. So I got y'all. On the next video, I am going to see the laundry through to give y'all that motivation.
Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get super lazy, my cuddle baby. I said I'll never lose you. I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. The price is high to lose you. It keeps inflating. And baby, I'm broke. Don't you know? Say goodbye, say goodbye. Won't hold you close. Get you off my mind, on my mind. Take it slow. Stay alive, stay alive. Can't let go. If we don't say goodbye, say goodbye. I said I'll never lose you.
That is it for today's video. I hope that you guys got motivated from this, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. So again, if you're new here, I would love for you to join me over here. And also don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you are here. I would love to chat with you. Thank you guys so much for being here. Blessings to you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.